Hello, I'm Brandy Reed with Renail Faith, and today I'm going to bring you another one of my favorite courses that I've taken. Normally, I'm sharing digital planner things that I make at Three Nail Faith or tips and tricks on digital planning. But I started a series where I wanted to show you some of the courses that I have taken that have really just inspired me, helped me. I know that there's others that want to create digital planners and create courses. So I'm about to show you another one of those. This one is called Wandering Aimfully, and there's several parts to this. So I would like to get into that. But first, if this is something that you would like to view, stick around. Like and subscribe if you want to hear more about some of these courses that I've learned and found, and if you want to learn about digital planning and digital stickers and any of those things. So today we're going to talk about Wandering Aimfully. This is a course that I have taken that I absolutely love. Jason and Caroline are the owners of Wandering Aimfully. And I do want to say that I am an affiliate of this course as well. And if you purchase through my link, I will get a little commission from it, but that's nothing extra for you. It's just something that helps me. So let's get into Wandering Aimfully. So Wandering Aimfully, tongue twister there, is actually kind of a two-part course. You get the actual course part of it where you can learn about Teachery, learn about business, learn about all kinds of wonderful, wonderful things. They have a coaching aspect, but then also you can get their program, Teachery, for free. So normally when you have a coaching or a course platform, you need to pay a monthly fee. Well, with this, when you get access to Wandering Aimfully, not only will you get all of the coaching that they have, and they have a monthly coaching, but you also got Teachery for free. So it's like a twofer. So it's an amazing, amazing opportunity. So let's get into it. So this is Jason and Caroline Zook. They are the owners of Wandering Aimfully and Teachery. They are called the unboring business coaches because they like to have fun and laugh and joke and enjoy themselves while you go through their coaching programs. So this is their about page that they have. But I want to get into here is their course aspect, the coaching hub of it. They have a whole bunch of amazing product or lessons every month. Around the 16th they have a new coaching session that comes out that you can go to live. You can join live, or they will have the replay, and these are all the replays, and these are amazing. They started back putting these in here in October of 2019, and every single month they have a new one. So this is just amazing, phenomenal. So much goodness in here. So much goodness in here. And I'm just going to slowly scroll through this so you can get some ideas of what they offer. Okay, so that is their coaching, and they're pretty good size time amounts. Okay, so this is the other part that I really love. This is Teachery, and this is where you can host your courses, um, or like this is a customer hub where I have all of my freebies for my customers in. So this is the back end. So not only is it a course platform where you can do just courses, but it's a pretty version of it. And I know that might sound funny, but a lot of courses, they're just kind of dull and business-like and boring, and but Teachery allows you to put your creativity into it and make it so it's pretty. Like this is the back end, and then this is the front end of my course. So as you can see, it's fun, it's beautiful, it's where you can just enjoy it and sit back and maybe drink a cup of coffee or tea and just enjoy what is all in there instead of it being very sterile and things like that. So let's click into one of these. So as you can see, you can have videos in there, and you can jump to different sections. Here's my welcome section. And it's just a very pretty way of having your course instead of a very sterile and boring type course. So you have that. And it's really, really, really easy to use. And that's the fun part about it too. It's not hard to use. There is a large help desk on how to, like, help docs. I'll go over there. So there is a help doc, and there's plenty of anything that you have questions on. There's all this whole help doc to help you understand any problem that you have run into. So they have the help doc. They have it is just an amazing colorful and joyful way of having your courses, because a lot of courses are just kind of sterile and not friendly, not fun. And as a creative person, you want to have color and emotions and things like that in your courses, or you may want, I should say. So this course platform allows you to have color and fun and enjoy your courses. So part of the unboring, it's called the unboring coaching sessions, and then the unboring business roadmap is what you'll get. But then you'll also get, so the unboring coaching sessions was the page that I showed you in the beginning, where you would get all of those coaching sessions that have all the past coaching sessions, and then any future coaching sessions, which is amazing because a lot of times when you sign up for a coaching program, you don't really get the back stuff. You only get the stuff that starts either, or maybe just a few back stuff. But this is all the way back from 2019, which is amazing because you get all that wisdom and knowledge that's from the past you can use now and keep going in the future. So you get all of those coaching sessions, and then the business roadmap, which I didn't go over that. Let me find that in just a minute. So you get the Teachery course platform, a private Slack community, a Notion starter pack, the page layout library, and the course vault. And all of that is included in this one price. You can pay for it in either monthly payments, or they have a 5 monthly payments, so you can get it done faster. And it's just to know that you can either in 1 year or in 5 months, whichever way you choose to do it. And you never have to pay for Teachery again. That was my favorite part about it. To not have to pay, I believe it is $59 a month to be able to use this course platform. So let's say that you just want to have the Teachery platform. You don't care about the course part of it, like the teaching part of it. You don't care about the Slack. You don't care about the Notion start, any of this other stuff. You just want the course platform. In less than 3 years, you would have the entire payment that is due paid off. So in other words, for paying this one payment, this large sum, you'll have your course paid off in 3 years, and you would never have to pay. Let me rephrase that. I'm sorry. You would have, if you pay, it's $2,000 right at the process, this court recording is $2,000. And again, you can either pay it in the monthly payments. Let's go to this checkout page real quick. You can either pay it in monthly payments of $100, or you can pay it in monthly payments of $400 and get it done in 5 months. So you could either pay it in 20 payments of $100 or 5 payments of $400. And this may sound like a lot at first thought, but if, like I was saying, you get all of the coaching sessions, all of this stuff, and like I said, the Teachery course. If you plan on doing courses or your customer hub like I've got, you know that you would only be paying for 3 years, in other words. Um, and beyond that, it would be completely free by the price of what, so you wouldn't have to keep paying that monthly payment. We like to have things where it's, or at least in my world, I like to have things uh, have a one-time payment, even if it's a large sum, have a one-time payment and then just be done with it. So now I'm completely done with paying for Teachery. I can get um, all of the coaching sessions. I can have Teachery for the rest of my life, or as long as they have this course. And they've been doing this for several years, and they don't plan on going anywhere. They enjoy what they do. They have fun with what they do, and so it's going to be around, in other words, for a long, long time. So just, again, cannot get over enough how amazingly beautiful this course platform is, how getting the one-time payment, or not, either the 5 months or the 20 months, whichever option you choose, but getting that one lump sum done, and you're done with paying it. And then the rest is all just gravy, I guess you could say. So this is Teachery again. This is the Wandering Aimfully, where you get all of this. Just a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful course platform. They're fun to listen to on their coaching sessions. If you're there live, you can ask questions and they'll answer them. It's just a wonderful, wonderful group to be involved in. And if you are interested in, I'm going to leave the links below for Wandering Aimfully. I'll also leave a link for Teachery if you're not interested in doing the one-time payment. There's also the Teachery where you can just do the monthly payment if that's what you're ready for, or even if you're just wanting to start with the monthly payment and then go to the Wandering Aimfully. Either way, I'm going to leave both of those links down below. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe. I'm going to be making some more of these coaching session course visit videos that just all of the courses that I really, really enjoy. And this is definitely one of them. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.